In this video, I'll show you how to chat with a PDF using Amazon Bedrock. If you watched my earlier video on RAG, think of this as the next step. Instead of a short list of facts, we're going to apply that same retrieval pattern to a full-length document. So why does chatting with documents matter? Think about your own documents, like policies, contracts, or research papers. Instead of training a model on all of it, the system retrieves only the relevant parts related to your question, and that gives you a focused answer, grounded in your actual data. That's what makes this pattern so powerful. At its core, chatting with a PDF is just RAG with one extra step of loading your document. So the overall flow is simple: prepare, retrieve, generate. RAG needs two model roles, one to create embeddings and one to generate the final answer. Here are the models I'm using. Titan Text Embeddings, which converts text into numbers so the system can compare meaning and find relevant content. And Amazon Nova Micro, which takes the retrieved content and writes the answer that you see on screen. Now let's see how these two models work together in the actual demo. I'm now in VS Code. This is my Python script, pdfchat.py, and right next to it is the PDF I'm using. It's called Famous Foods Around the World. It has dishes from 10 different countries. So there's Italy, Japan, Mexico, all the way to Brazil. You can grab this PDF from my GitHub link in the description below. Now in my terminal down here, I'll run the script. It says PDF chat ready. Type a question or type exit to quit. Now I'll ask it a question. How is pizza cooked? And the model answers, pizza is typically baked in a very hot oven, which gives the crust its signature texture. That answer came directly from the document, not from the model making something up. This is retrieval doing its job, keeping the model grounded in your actual data. So how do we know it's really working and not just guessing answers? Let's run a hallucination test and ask about something that isn't in the PDF at all. I'll ask this question. What's Kenya's signature dish? And the model responds, I don't know based on this PDF. And that's exactly right. Kenya isn't mentioned anywhere in this document. The model didn't guess or make something up. It simply said it didn't know. This is the behavior you want in a real application. The model only answers when the information actually exists in the document. Now that you've seen it in action, let's quickly walk through what's happening behind the scenes. Step 1 is to prepare the PDF. That means extract the text, split it into smaller chunks, and convert those chunks into embeddings. This is what makes the document searchable. Step 2 is retrieval. When you ask a question, the system finds the chunks that are most similar in meaning to your question. And step 3 is generation. Those retrieved chunks are sent to the Nova Micro model, which reads them and writes the final answer. If this feels familiar, that's because it is. This is the same retrieval pattern from my RAG video, just applied to a real document. Today, I used a simple food PDF to keep things easy to follow, but this exact pattern works on almost anything, like company policies, legal contracts, technical documentation, or research papers. Pretty much any PDF can become searchable and chat-ready. I hope this gave you a good picture of how PDF chat works with Amazon Bedrock. The full code and a walkthrough of code sections are in my GitHub repo, and that link is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.